How to change language in QANDA. First of all, open the app and wait for the home screen to load completely. Next, tap on the menu option located on the bottom bar to access your account and app option. Now tap on the settings gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the settings menu. Inside the settings, look for the language option to view all available languages supported by the app. Tap on language and select your preferred language from the list. Once selected, the app will automatically apply the new language and all means, instructions and features will appear in your chosen language. Changing the language helps you navigate the app more easily and ensures a smoother learning experience. Now you know how to change language in QANDA. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more study tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.